pushed his way out and he was a
butterfly.
Butterfly. Oh. You want the other book, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay. Back in a second, babe. Herbie, have you seen the book that Franklin loves? Not that one. We did that one yesterday, and I know he loves it, but here we are. It's here. See, we're going for something a little bit more fun today, yeah?